You are here, so Mr. Jorge Matai, he is economist. He is a graduate in economic and business science by the University of Valencia. He is a vice president of Attica Association. Georgios is also a board member of ITEX. He's the president of the Business Owner Association in Textiles, the Banieres de Mariola, and he is the owner and manager of BELDA LLORENÇ S.A. and Evelio Matais Molina S.A. Thank you very much for coming. You have a little bit less than 15 minutes. Thank you.
To express the reality of the market right now. I'm going to talk about Ecolife yarns, about the sustainability of our company. We are opening a spinning plant, and we have developed a new brand, which is the name is Ecolife. And these yarns on the system of opening are made with pre-consumer fibers, post-consumer fibers, and virgin fibers. But these virgin fibers also has a sustainable concept. Our yarns, most of them are going for the apparel industry and the home textiles. All our yarns are suitable for knitting and are suitable for weaving. So we, let's say, are in the typical traditional market in the textile, okay? So this is, as I said, our brand Ecolife. This brand is registered all over the world. And we have distribution also here in Europe and North America and South America. We export to more than 45 countries. I'm gonna show you a little video of what is the circular economy related with these Ecolife yarns. But before that, also I must say that not only our yarns are sustainable, but also our factory, it's contributing also to the planet high sustainability. Because 75% of our roofs are covered by solar panel, which that energy goes into the factory. Also, on the process of spinning, we don't use any type of water or chemical products, and we do not emit any CO2 emissions to the air. What is the environmental footprint of for the planet of this yarn? For example, 1 kilogram of a BELDA Ecolife yarns, polyester cotton, 100% recycled, which is 50% post-consumer recycled and 50% cotton pre-consumer. That will be the impact per kilogram into the planet. These are the savings on the new growth of cotton, the savings on water, the electricity savings, and the reduction of the emissions of CO2 per kilogram, 100% yarn, Ecolife yarn. That will translate into a garment in the portion of the yarn that are involved into the fabric and the garment. And this is the video that I was talking about. So these are the raw materials that are coming from the retail cutting, the pre-consumer. Then we mix them with the polyester or the virgin fiber that make the yarn. Then goes to the weaving or knitting. After confectioned, and then goes to the stores for sales. Those garments are under our brand or other brands. This is the next thing where we want to go, is to collect the used garments and take it back, make fiber again, and mix it again. And this is what we call the post-consumer. yarns. So the main thing here, it's closing the loop. This is our goal. The goal of BELDA LLORENÇ is trying to, and the difficult part is to close the loop. But we have also some agreements with Lenzing in order to mix these recycled fibers with the virgin fibers, as I said before. For example, on the EcoVero by Lenzing, we are mixing in 20% or 40% of recycled viscose with a sustainable fiber like EcoVero. Also, we have all the international and most prestigious certifications of recycling as Recycle Standard, probably you know it. And also I want to mention another one which is being popular in the north of Europe, where there is a big conscience of the sustainability by the consumers. And I'm going to put one example of a current project. We have 3 projects right now under the post-consumer products. This is a project for a workwear. They bring us 1,500 kilos of used workwear, and we transform it in 15,000 kilos of new yarn by putting only 10%. That 15,000 kilos are becoming at 50,000 meters of a new workwear that is going to be in the market. We are doing also this with bed sheets and with jeans, okay? As I said, this has a certain limitation because the quality and the colors is an issue and has to be in certain products. So the main thing is that the used garments can be, they have different options. You can use it as new, as reuse it, as we are doing here in BELDA LLORENÇ with the workwear, or as we have seen before, there is other industrial exits for these garments. Either construction, either cleaning industry, or automotive also can have that used garments and take it back. So the main industry is here. These are the main retailers. We have to try to change them as the automotive is going from gasoil and gasoline to electric cars, or the food industry is going to ecological food industry. We have to move them into that. In fact, for example, Inditex has already a program of the Joint Life program, which is already making this type of programs with this type of yarns and fabrics. So we try to convince them to move into that. It's not gonna be easy, but we have to try, and I think they are starting to be conscious of moving the industry, the apparel industry, and the home textile industry into sustainable fabrics. Why? Because this industry has a 60 years know-how. This is no new. Our yarns and this industry is already invented many years ago, especially here in Catalonia and the Valencia community. We have a big know-how of this, but we started doing this, our fathers started doing this only for economical reasons, and now it's at added value. My father always said, quality is a must. We must guarantee the same qualities and the same properties on the yarns, on the new yarns, on the virgin yarns that are guaranteed into the Ecolife yarns. So we have not to lose that quality, and we have to offer to the public the same parameters of quality with the recycled fibers. That's very important. Also, we have a huge stock service, and we keep investing in the latest technology on open end, and keep investing in new fibers to be able to recycle them. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Jorge, for the presentation. The questions will be after this session.